In this video, we are going to talk about how you can get a lifetime free account on SEMrush. And there is no clickbait, no cheating, no hidden tricks at all. We are going to talk about the legit way to get a SEMrush free account. So, let's not waste any time and start the video. SEMrush has recently started providing free accounts to their users. To get access to a free SEMrush account, you need to visit their official website. Next, click on this sign up button. You can enter your email and a strong password to sign up. Next, you'll see a pop-up asking you to get started with one of these free trials. This is a completely optional step, and you can skip it by clicking on this skip button. This will take you to the dashboard of SEMrush. This is your free account dashboard, where you can perform keyword research, audit your website, detect AI content and plagiarism, and get improvement suggestions for your website. Although there are many limitations to this account, such as limited data analytics, less keyword research, and less competition analysis. But overall, this is the best SEO tool on the internet. And you should definitely give it a try. You will also get a dashboard overview video on the left menu, which will help you understand this tool much better. Additionally, you can only manage one project with this free account, which means you can manage one website and optimize it for SEO using this tool. We hope that you found this video helpful. We will also publish a more in-depth video on SEMrush very soon, so make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching this video.